What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Capel Outdoor video. And today we're out here on the WMA again. We're gonna be doing some truck bed cooking. So we're gonna do some street style tacos, steak tacos. So we got the tacos here, little tortillas. Got the marinated steak, got a runny onion, got avocado, lime, cilantro, and the chips. So we're gonna do steak, street tacos, as well as some guacamole. I'll show y'all how we like to make guacamole. And most of this other stuff like the red onion, cilantro, and lime are going to be some toppings for the tacos. And got this delicious restaurant style lime tortilla chips. And this is going to be the first meal out of the new truck bed build. So excited about that. And I got Abby.
Hi.
She's over there reading her book in the shade. And yep, she's living her best life. But yeah, guys, it's a very beautiful day here. I mean, can't ask for better weather. We got some rain yesterday, so that's pretty good. We've been in a drought for a little bit. Hopefully most of the rain got to South Georgia because they need it more than we do. But
what y'all up to?
Cooking some lunch, man.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What about you?
I just ate lunch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can't complain that.
He does a bit of YouTube, so he likes to film like truck bed camping.
Yeah,
like,
pretty much.
We're not camping, but just doing the cooking part out here.
Gotcha. Y'all just hanging out right here then?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
What you cooking?
We're gonna do some street style steak tacos. Steak and a little bit of guacamole.
Man, sounds tasty.
Yeah, you're cool with being on camera? I don't know if you're gonna be in the shot or not, but okay.
More than I like to be.
I heard that.
Nice little setup you got there.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Kappelleoutdoors. You build that yourself?
Yes, sir. That's me right there. That's mine.
Nice. What else you got all sneaky up in there as far as cool contraptions?
Nothing much. Just got this is like the kitchen drawer here.
Yep.
So this is kitchen drawer, and that's where I sleep there. And then I got another drawer here. This is just little odds and ends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks nice and soft. Assuming you got a big thick rollout mat.
No, I got me one of those Seated Summit little insulator mats, whatever, little 4-inch.
Yeah.
Blow that up.
That's pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's pretty neat. I like creativity.
I heard.
You got street tacos?
Street tacos, steak street tacos. I got some guacamole.
Man, what you got it just marinated in some
Oh, man.
zesty seasoning or something, right?
Yeah, I try to copy her. But this has got some Dales in there, an orange, and I got some chili lime.
Man, that's all right, man.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. You have a good one, man. So that's the one thing about hanging out here on the WMA property. From time to time, you will have DNR roll upon you, but as long as you're here legit and ain't causing any trouble, ain't gonna cause you no problem. But anyway, enough rambling. We're gonna let the steak sit outside to room temperature a little bit, and we're gonna get started on this guacamole because it's not gonna take that long to cook that steak. You know what, guys? I'm kind of offended. He didn't really ask me for my YouTube channel name or if you wanted to subscribe or not. So whatever, man. Your loss, I guess. All right, guys. So we got our guacamole or avocados all smashed up. It works best if you get avocados that are soft. One of my avocados was a little hard, so y'all can see I got me a new juicer here, and we're not gonna pulverize this juice here. Yeah. If I break it again, I quit. So we're gonna do. We like our guacamole I have a strong lime flavor, so we're gonna do 2 limes in the guac, and we're gonna save the last one for a little surprise. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this so our avocados don't turn brown. And honestly, probably should have brought 4 avocados, but it is what it is. I'm going to rinse the cilantro off. So we're gonna use some of the cilantro for the guacamole and the other part more of like a garnish for the tacos here. And then same with the onion here. Let that stove get warmed up a little bit. Now, Abby likes her onions finely chopped. A little bit of salt. I know it says crushed red pepper, but I got some salt in here. So a little bit of salt. Again, crushed red pepper, but it's regular black pepper. And you can see like that, right? So we like to keep our guacamole very simple. One thing about guacamole is you can do it a million different ways. I know y'all can't see me, I'm off camera, but I'm letting Abby taste some guacamole. Give her. What do you think?
Horrible. No, I'm just kidding. It's so good.
She would say some stuff like that, y'all. Got the pan here, piping hot. Yes, that's what you want. Oh, and another thing, guys, to go with the theme of lunch here, you can't have tacos and guacamole without something to wash it down with. And see, guys, this is why we always run out of guacamole, because she eats it all before the main course. Cheers, baby.
Out of the 3 chips I had, only one had guac though.
Sure. Guys, y'all look at that steak. That's delicious. Nice chard on there. Squeeze that lime juice everywhere but your tacos. They look really good. They're not fancy or anything, but they're just very simple. Cheers, baby.
Very good.
Guys, that steak cooked to perfection. Great seasoning on it. I really nailed the seasoning on it. Got the guacamole. Done died and went to heaven.
Done dead.
Honestly, guys, anybody can do this meal. I mean, you can make the guacamole however you want. And just steak tacos are just, the best part of the steak is the piece that has a little fat on it. All right, guys, we are all cleaned up and we are back on the road. Left no trace as always, and oh my God, guys, I think I had like 5 tacos, five of those street tacos, and some of that guacamole. I'm talking about, oh my God, it's so good.
I had 3 tacos, but after my tacos, there was still some steak left. So then I started just scooping up some guacamole on a chip and then putting on a sliver of steak.
Anyway, guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. I think we're gonna head to the boat ramp and try to do a little fishing or do some sightseeing or something. But I hope y'all enjoyed it just as much as we enjoy cooking it, or as I enjoyed cooking it. If y'all want to see more content like this, don't forget to check out the rest of my channel, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Oh, got it!